Good evening. Can you tell something about yourself?
Good, good, sir. My name is Helen Alba, 43 years old. I live in Caloocan City, Manila, Philippines. I have 3 kids,
Mm.
2 boys and 1 girl.
Yes.
And I have 1 sister.
Yes. Okay. So you have working experience in the Saudi Arabia, right?
Yes, sir.
For 2 employers. So the first employer have 9-month-old baby, and then the 4 and 7 years old children,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Can you tell me at that time how did you take care of the baby? How did you take care of the children?
Children, 9 months. It's around 9 months.
Yes.
Morning, wake up.
Mm-hmm.
They take a baby.
Yes.
Then cook food for the baby,
Yes.
eat, and then finish it, take a bath, and
Yes.
change a diaper,
Yes.
and then play.
Pray with them. And then so the baby sleep with you or baby sleep with the mother?
Sometimes me, sometimes my mother.
Okay. So do you also help the other kids to prepare the school uniform, some breakfast or the snack?
Yes, sir. Yeah, baby, brother also prepare breakfast and then prepare school uniform, and then finish change a uniform, then down and waiting school bus,
Mm.
then back home and then clean,
Yes.
finish and clean, cook again for the lunch,
Mm.
and then finish waiting children back school bus. Then
Okay. So if for you to work in Hong Kong, can you take care of the baby also and take care of the children also?
yes, sir.
If the employer baby may be like 3 months old, can you take care? If sometime employer cannot give you holiday first, would like you to take holiday later, or they give you the salary, is this okay?
It's okay, sir.
Can you read some English?
After wandering the desert for weeks, Aladdin discovered the blood palace he snuck inside and surprised his bride. Ariel was overcome with joy to see him. "We must get the lamb," said Aladdin. The princess said, "It's always by his side." So that night, as the magician slept, Aladdin crept into his room. He took the lamp and made a wish. When the magician awoke, he was asleep in the sun. Back in the city, Aladdin and the princess tasted the genie for all his help. The Sultan was so happy that he gave Aladdin half his kingdom. From then on, Aladdin used the lamp only to do good for his people, and he shared his riches with the poor.
Okay. Why you want to work in Hong Kong now?
Because for the future of my children, and then buy all my needs, because my solo parents, I give all for the needs my children.
Okay. Thank you much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.